Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of setting up a VPN on your iPhone, and guess what? It won't cost you a dime. Alright, let's get started. First, let's head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. You might need to scroll down until you find General Settings and tap on it. Then, look for VPN and Device Management and tap on it. Then tap on VPN. Once you're there, tap on Add VPN Configuration. Now, click on Type. You'll need to select L2TP. Then click on Description. This is just a name for your VPN. In my case, I'll name it VPN Test. Next, tap on Server. For the server, open up your Safari or Google Chrome browser. It doesn't matter which one. Once it is opened, type in VPN Gate in the address bar. Then open this link that I am opening. Here, you'll find a list of VPNs that support L2TP/IPsec. Choose one, and copy its IP address. Now, return to the Settings app and paste the IP address in the server field. For account, type VPN. For password and secret, you can also type VPN. Before you connect, make sure to toggle the Send All Traffic switch. This ensures that all your internet traffic goes through the VPN. Once done, tap on the Done button at the top right corner. Now, just tap on the VPN we just created to connect. Then toggle on Status bar to connect to your VPN. And there you have it. Your VPN is now active and running on your iPhone. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.